Eman Pacquiao update. May spotted pa si Eman sa Dunkin' Donuts store sa Davao City. Si cellphone si Eman, mukhang nag-take out ng donut at may maswerte nakapagpa-picture kay Eman. Sa likod sila ng gasoline station. Sabi dito, from watching him on screen to actual taking a photo with him. Unreal moment. Yun, no? Sana all. Sobrang bait ni Eman sa mga fans, nakikita naman. Saka ito, contact signing ni Eman for Joy Max, ng bago niyang endorsement. May wala ng blessing si Eman. Congrats kay Eman. Yung mga behind the scene, bago niyang endorsement. Joy Max. Congrats. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.